Hey creators, hope all is well. This is Ibrahim from Thumbnail Maker Studio. In this video, I'm going to show you our latest feature, which allows you to swap the AI generated face that we generate from a thumbnail with a headshot that you uploaded. Um, so let's say you're in here and you're generated thumbnails. All you do is you go to this button that we have right here called Swap Face. You just click on that, and then all the headshots that you upload over here will pull up. If you don't have any headshots, we will take you to this page so that you can upload headshots, and then you'll be asked to come back here to, um, swap the faces. So in this instance, all you do is you just pick one of the faces. So in this case, I have all three faces. Just click one, and then you click swap face. And now what's going to happen is it's going to swap this face with the face that's in this thumbnail. So now I'm able to use a face that I actually want instead of a face from the video. This could be a face that's more accurate or whatever the case may be. So just swap that face and then boom, right there. You got your expression. You can go into your editor and do all the different elements that you previously did, yada, yada, yada. But this allows you to swap the face of, the thumbnail that we originally generate for you and gives you more customization and ability to adjust the thumbnail to your liking. But that's our latest feature. This couldn't be made possible without your phenomenal feedback. So, please continue to reach out to us with feedback, and we will continue to improve this product to make sure that we're building the right solution for you. So thank you so much for watching.